Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable DSCR loan comparisons with Lima One Capital, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable DSCR loan comparisons with Lima One Capital, start by visiting the official Lima One. Navigate to the loan products section on the homepage. Locate the section dedicated to DSCR loans specifically. Click on the option that allows for loan comparisons. You may be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. Fill in the required information to create your profile. Once logged in, access the DSCR loan comparison tool. Input your loan criteria, such as property type and loan amount. Select the state where the property is located for accurate results. Take note of the debt service coverage ratio required for your selected loans. Review the comparison results displayed on the page. Analyze the key features of each loan option, including interest rates and terms. Consider any additional fees or costs associated with each loan. Utilize the filters to narrow down your comparisons based on specific needs. If needed, reach out to a Lima One Capital loan officer for further assistance. Finalize your selection once you are satisfied with your comparisons. Prepare to proceed with the application process for your chosen DSCR loan option. Make sure to gather all necessary documentation to expedite your application. Submit your application through the platform once ready. Monitor your application status via your account dashboard. Stay in communication with your loan officer for updates and next steps. By following these steps, you can successfully enable and navigate DSCR loan comparisons with Lima One Capital. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.